Hello, Intermediate Algebra. This is Mr. Lang giving you your Sunday night weekly update. You'll get one of these every Sunday night where I will spell out the week ahead so you'll know what to expect. So it's our first week of school, update number 1. Learning targets for the week. You basically have 2 assignments, and each assignment has 2 targets on it. So for assignment number 1, which you should do on Monday and Tuesday, it's integers, adding and subtracting, multiplying and dividing, and diamond problems, which I hope you've done before. If not, you should take a peek at the video because that will help you a lot. And then Wednesday is just a catch up or work ahead day. And then on Thursday and Friday, you're going to do homework number 2, which is order of operations and evaluating expressions. Now this first week, hopefully it's a bunch of review and the stuff is hopefully not too difficult. It'll be a good start to the year, okay? If you have me for third period, we will have our class meeting tomorrow. So I expect everybody to be there. It's mandatory. And we will get into some small groups, which are going to be called your base groups. And you'll do a little project together. It'll be fun. And then obviously Monday, Tuesday, you're working on homework 1. And then Thursday we'll have another sync meeting, and then you'll be working on homework 2. Okay? One thing to keep in mind, we expect you to be keeping up with the homework, but the absolute last day to turn in homework to get credit for it would be September 29th, the day of the last assessment for this unit U1. Okay? But we'll be putting in, like that homework 1, we'll enter it in the gradebook by Wednesday, and if you haven't done it by then, it'll be entered as a 0, and then like if you did it on Thursday, you could, it'll be replaced and you'll get a grade. But we'll put in homework in the gradebook, at the end of the 2 days of you working on it, okay? Second period, same basic schedule, except your meetings are Tuesday and Friday, okay? Because the even number days, or even number periods their meetings are Tuesday, Friday, okay? Homework tips. Remember, each assignment starts with a video. You should watch it, okay? There's also note links you can read. Don't forget to turn on the calculator if you want it to help with your assignments. Remember, you can redo questions as many times as necessary before the due date for full credit. If you get stuck, remember you can watch the video attached to the question. You're going to meet your base group this Monday and Tuesday, so you could contact one of your group members, or of course you can email me, okay? So I want you to have a great first week of distance learning. That's my email address, and remember the meeting links are on our Canvas page. So have a great week.